Have you ever wondered how people are making those awesome, nostalgic retro photos that are blowing up online? Well, today I'll walk you through exactly how to transform your modern shots into stunning vintage masterpieces using AI. It's super easy and perfect for making content that grabs attention. So let's jump right in. Step 1. Download HitPaw Edimakor. First things first, download HitPaw Edimakor. It's an awesome AI video editor that's super easy to use. If you haven't grabbed it yet, just click the link in the description. Once it's installed, open it up and you're ready to go. Step 2. Create retro photos. Click New Project. Head over to AI Image, and you'll see a few options. Text to image, reference image, and image restyler. Just pick the mode that works best for your project. For this tutorial, I'll choose reference image. And using the Google Nano Banana Model, it's perfect for creating super consistent character designs. You can upload up to 3 reference images, then type in a prompt specifically designed for creating retro-style photos. This prompt works like magic. I've dropped it in the description below, so you can try it out yourself. Once that's done, just set how many images you want, hit generate, and just like that, your retro photo are ready. The steps are the same for every image, and I've dropped the prompts in the description. Now go test it out for yourself. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.